Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today our topic is what is an accuracy, what is precision, and what is the difference between accuracy and the precision. Today our topic is what is accuracy, what is precision, and what is the difference between accuracy and precision. सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे what is accuracy. An accuracy of a measurement is how close it is to the true value. For example, Kaleem measured the amount of tea in his mug 3 times. He obtained the following results: 119 ml, 116 ml, and 115 ml. The actual amount of tea in the mug is 120 ml. अब हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि 119 ml is 1 ml away to the true value and 116 ml is the 4 ml away to the true value and 115 ml is the 5 ml away to the true value. So it means that 119 ml is the most accurate and 115 ml is the least accurate. The more close the measured quantity to the actual value, the more accurate the instrument is. Okay, what is precision? How consistent a series of values are with each other. यानी सीरीज ऑफ वैल्यूज़ आपस में कितनी कंसिस्टेंट हैं उसको हम प्रिसीजन कहते हैं. If you have several measurements and all those are similar or close to each other, so the instruments are precise. For example, Ahmad measures the amount of tea in his mug 4 times. He obtained the following results: 100 ml, 101 ml, 102 ml, and 101 ml. The actual amount of tea in his mug is 120 ml. Here we see accuracy is poor because they are very far or away to actual value, because they are very close to each other, so precision is good. If we repeat the measurement several times and each time we get the similar readings, the instrument possesses a high degree of precision. Now we will see the difference between the accuracy and precision. Here we will take the example. The volume of a liquid is 20 ml. A student measures the volume of liquid using a cup and obtain the following results. Here we have 4 series. In one series the results are 20 ml, 19.3 ml, 18.8 ml, 18.6 ml. In second series, the student obtained the following results, that are 16 ml, 16.1 ml, 16.0 ml, and 16.2 ml. In third series, the student obtained the results 20.1 ml, 20.0 ml, 20.2 ml, and 20.1 ml. In fourth series, the student obtained the results 18.6 ml, 17.8 ml, 15.6 ml, and 16.2 ml. Here we see the accuracy and precision. In first series, here we see all the values are very close to the true value, so the accuracy is good, and the precision which are not consistent to each other, so the precision is poor. In the next example, we will see that the values are, or the series of numbers are very far to or away to the true value, so the accuracy is poor, and the precision means that the values are consistent to each other, so the precision is good. In third series, we see that the values are very close to the true value, so the accuracy is good, and also the values are consistent to each other, so the precision is also good. In fourth series, we see that the values are very far away to true value or very not close to true value, so the accuracy is poor, and they are not consistent to each other, so the precision is also poor. Here we see that the red circle shows the actual value. So here we check the accuracy and precision. So in first example, there is value in the red circle, so it is close to the true value and are not consistent to each other, so accuracy is good and precision is poor. So in other example, the value is far or not close to the true value, so accuracy is poor, but are consistent to each other, so precision is good. So in other example, the values are far from the true value or not close to the true value, or are also not consistent to each other, so accuracy is poor and the precision is also poor. In other example, we see that the values are close to the true value and are also consistent to each other, so accuracy is good and precision is also good. ओके, आई होप सो कि आपको जो है ये टॉपिक समझ आ गया होगा, एक्यूरेसी क्या है, प्रिसीजन क्या है और इसका मेन डिफरेंस जो है वो आपको समझ आ गया होगा। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो समझ आ रही हैं तो इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब के बटन पर प्रेस करें, साथ में ही बेल आइकन पर प्रेस करें ताकि आपको न्यू से न्यू अपडेट्स मिलती रहें। सो व्यूअर्स, आई होप सो कि आपको ये हमारा लेक्चर समझ आ रहा होगा। सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट टॉपिक में। टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़।